Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's explore, and this is our first video regarding Solidworks tutorial and its other features. And in this video, in upcoming videos, we'll upload about how to do various features in Solidworks and how to be expert in SolidWorks design, computer-aided design, mechanical, mostly because I'm a mechanical engineering student. And so talking about SolidWorks, SolidWorks is the best platform for mechanical design, yeah, and it is solid modeling computer-aided design, CAD. We understand it as a CAD, computer-aided design, and it was founded by Dassault system. And in 1993, I think probably in 1993, in MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, graduate Zhong Hirstik. Recently, SolidWorks is in its 29th version, which was released in October 9, 2016. Literally, it has every features like their other software, but it is much more easier to explore and efficient. And I'm recently using SolidWorks, and what I found is SolidWorks is much more efficient and easier to use, to be honest. And so today I'm going to show some features, and I'm going to explain the background of the SolidWorks, what features we can do in SolidWorks, and such as extrude, sketch, boss, extrude, trim, etc. So let's start. SolidWorks. So if you have already installed SolidWorks, for this you can watch videos in YouTube how to download SolidWorks. And if you have already installed SolidWorks, then we can start our video. We can start learning different things. And when you start SolidWorks, you will see a background like this. And there are three main actions here in SolidWorks. One is you go file and create new, and one is part. To create some complex system, you have to go parts by parts. So to create parts, you have to click part, and if you already created parts, then you can further go to assembly, and you can extrude drawing from your part. If you have already made your part, then you can make its drawing by just simply you can make its drawing, and I'll talk drawing later. So let's start creating part in SolidWorks. You click OK, and you'll see a background like this. And so this is the working background of SolidWorks. And here you can see different functions here. Features, sketch, sheet metal, weldment, surfaces, blah blah blah. And so here are SolidWorks is personally speaking is awesome. Or see, there's much more deeper and deeper. Further you go deeper, and to learn SolidWorks, perfect. If you want to be perfect in SolidWorks designing and any other tools, it will take 1 year, I think. Not less than that. So it's very vast but simple, and do not worry about its learning phase. You can learn it easily, and there is no need to worry about don't think it's very complicated, it's very difficult to learn CAD. SolidWorks is easier than other software. So let's start. So there are many functions here used, such as features, sketch, sheet metal, weldments, surfaces, evaluate, and there are much more. I haven't also explored them all, and I'm in also learning phase. So the features you can see: extruded boss base, revolved boss base, and there are a swift boss base, lofted boss base, boundary boss base. After you draw drawing there, first of all you have to sketch a figure there, and from there you have to extrude or cut or whole wizard, revolve cut. There are much more fillet, linear pattern, redraft shape. This much more. There many of them there. And so in a sketch you can see you can click sketch, smart dimensioning. After you create a sketch, you have to dimension the figure. And what do you sketch? Suppose a line, circle, curve, plane, center rectangle. There are many modes of them. And trim entities, you do not trim. And convert entities, I'll explain later in other videos. And offset surface, mirror entities, linear sketch, display. Okay, there are much more. So, and sheet metal, after you sketch something particular, you have a sheet metal is there, a base flank. I'll explain them later. And so to sketch, you have to select plane here, front plane or top plane or right plane there. So okay, choose I usually choose front plane and top plane. So let's choose top plane, sketch, and there's there. And first thing first, okay, sketch. Okay, what is sketch? Suppose let's sketch a simple figure. Okay, circle, center point, rectangle there, and start from origin. I recommend you to start every sketch from origin because it helps further in features. So draw one circle here. Okay, no, and select and select. Okay, and put some dimension here. Okay, this dimension. Okay, let's put 100 mm. 100 mm. This unit, regarding unit, what you have to do in unit is you go to here, this mmgs system. You'll see here option here, and you see mks meter, kilogram second, and mmgs. I used to put a dimension in millimeter, gram, and second. So okay, then it's our 100 mm circle. And if you see a sketch in a black boundary or black border, then it means your sketch is fully defined, and you can carry on further processes. And okay, let's go to feature. Okay, smart dimension. Let's deselect the smart dimension and go to features. And you see our sweep boss base, revolve boss base, extrude boss base. These functions here are not allowed to do right now because for this we have to create a different sketch there. So we only have extruded boss base, revolve boss base, and sweep boss base. Revolve boss base means when you revolve a certain part of the sketch, then it will regenerate a solid figure, and I'll do it later. So extruded boss base, right now we'll do extruded boss base. So extruded boss base means if you provide a height or length or breadth to the figure, then it will the outcome will be a solid figure. So here you can see a boss extrude here, and so blind, these are the direction to be how to extrude a figure, how to extrude a sketch to the 3D model. So if you get blind, then you have to put some dimension here. So I'll put 100. Okay, 100 mm, and you can see preview here. This is your 100 mm cylinder, and if you click OK, okay, then your cylinder is ready. Okay, and this is the main feature of extrude boss base and sketch. We sketched a circle here and extruded a cylinder. This is the process, and you can further carry on other figures here. Suppose you can create a rectangle and extrude it as a cuboid or cube or ellipse, or you can extrude it to a different figure and a straight slot and other polygons here. So you can do much more. You can practice on this sketch. And so we'll okay, this much for today. And please subscribe our channel and like our videos so that we get motivated from you to make some new videos every day or every week. So this is our starting phase. So